Triton Athlete launch.
Rehearsal is done. We're going to wait for the media to arrive and we're going to start launching the Triton Athlete. But let's take a walk around and see how the new Triton Athlete looks like. Let's go! The Triton now is only available in Black Mica and is made for everyday athletes, highlighting the Triton's agility and nimbleness to take on the everyday road challenges in Malaysia. Aesthetically, the new Triton Athlete is spotted with the new front bumper garnish, new black grille with honeycomb mesh, and new 17 black alloy wheels, a new sports bar, dark grey and orange decals. Other highlights in black include the side stand, the door mirror, the door handle, the rear bumper, and the new tailgate spoiler. The Triton Athlete that houses a new infotainment system with Apple CarPlay also comes with a Black Monotone interior with perforated orange leather combination and athlete embroidery, which matches the orange stitching around the leather steering, gear knob, door trim, and center console. The Triton Athlete is a new variant that is currently added to the Triton model lineup and is priced affordably, the same as the Triton VGT Adventure X. The Triton is powered by an award-winning 2.4-litre MyVac turbo diesel engine with variable valve timing technology, and also comes with a variable geometry turbo VGT. It produces a strong 181 PS of power and 430 Newton meters of torque. The Triton Athlete is equipped with 7 SRS airbags, electronic brake force distribution, hill start assist, brake assist, active stability and traction control, trailer stability assist, and brake override system for a complete peace of mind driving. Safety of the Triton is further strengthened by a strong Mitsubishi reinforced impact safety evolution rise body construction. That's all for my video, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Do follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. Bye!